Welcome to Mandy's Tutoring Services for Elementary Students educational video. Today, you are going to learn an easy way to reduce fractions step by step. Our first fraction is 30 over 50. We're going to find two factors that when we multiply together will give us 30. 3 times 10. Now we're going to find two factors that when we multiply together will give us 50. 5 times 10. You have to look to see if you have a number on top that can cancel out or reduce the number below. So 10 and 10 are the same. So 10 into 10, 1. 10 into 10, 1. So now we will remain with 3 times 1 over 5 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. So when we reduce 30 over 50, we will end up with 3/5 as our answer. Our next problem is 12 over 16. 12 sixteenths. We have to find two numbers that when we multiply together will give us 12. 2 times 6. And what two numbers when we multiply together will give us 16? 2 times 8. So I see we have two numbers that can cancel out. So 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. So now we remain with 1 times 6 over 1 times 8. So we have 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. This number is not its lowest. So we are going to reduce it again. Okay? So what two numbers are when we multiply together will give us 6? 2 times 3. Now remember, these two numbers are factors of 6. What two numbers, two factors, are when we multiply together will give us 8? 4 times 2. So we look to see what numbers are the same. So 2 up here is the same as this 2 down here. So we will say 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. And now we remain with 1 times 3 and 4 times 1. 4 times 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. So when we reduce 12 over 16, we're going to get 3/4. Thank you for watching.